Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix this problem you have on your Walmart app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, so and you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, so just go down and you click here on apps, so and you come to next step here. Then you just go down here, you're looking for Walmart app, and only can you search for it on app. So then you just go down here, so and you click here on Walmart here, and you come to next step here. Then you just click here on force stop and you click here on OK. Then you go down here, you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window here, so just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store, so you click on your Play Store. Then you search for Walmart app. It's going to show for you like this. You click, you will find here update, so just click on it. Then it's going to fix problem you have. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.